Man Fish Channel here, and today we're going to be doing a stir fry in a little bit of a different method. Stew pot. I found that the size of this kettle and the thickness of the cast iron, I can get this kettle to the restaurant style of flaming hot, which I think makes for a better stir fry. The quicker you can get it in, up to temperature and out, the better the stir fry is. So here we go. Stew pot, stir fry. What we're going to need for this cook, and again, it's a stir fry. You can throw your ingredients in however you like it, but what I like in mine is mushrooms, all different colors of peppers, onions, broccoli, salt, soy sauce, whatever your favorite sauce is. I use a hoisin, which is a smoky sweet sauce. Throw in a little bit of General Tso's, and believe it or not, some of my homemade habanero. Black pepper, sesame oil. Got to be careful with how much of that you use. It is pretty strong. And whatever your meat is that you're going to be using. So what you're going to see here, the key to cutting meat for stir fry is cutting against the grain. So as you can see, the grains in this meat, get it into the camera there, the grains in this meat run this way. So what you end up with in the cut is the little tubes of meat which break apart better in the stir fry. So everything gets a splash of water, all the vegetables get a splash of water to help with the steaming. Soy sauce, sesame oil in each. Black pepper. Pinch of salt. Each. Normally I use fresh garlic. Didn't realize I was as low as I was. I'm just using some pickled garlic. I put the habanero in just the meat. Next up, to the pot. So that's our setup for the cooking in the stew pot. Awesome curved surface. I can get tons of heat out of that Bayou burner. I'm letting it heat up right now. I'll throw some oil in. And you can use various size kettles. That's another one that I have. I cleaned that one up in a different video. You can take a look at how to clean cast iron. But we'll let that heat up for a bit. First of all, I throw a little bit of oil in. Oil. While that's getting hot, I've got all this excellent beef trimmings and fat. I like to flavor it some. Let that render out some. That's lots of good beef flavor there. So you can see I've rendered some of that grease out of this meat. As far as I'm concerned, that's just extra flavor, right? First up, the meat. Timing is critical on this. Pretty much all you're doing is waiting for that meat, for the liquid to drop out. Here you can see that liquid is dropping out of the meat. That means it's about time. So cut that shit off. Next up, I put the harder to cook vegetables like those onions. They have to cook a little bit longer. Shortly after these go in, mushrooms will go in. Next, mushrooms go in. A little bit more water for steam. All right, next we throw these into the bowl. Throw some of that juice back in for the next set of vegetables. Put that inward. Now everything else goes back into the kettle. Now you add your sauce. And there's the finished product. Stew pot stir fry. Thank you for watching Teach a Man to Fish channel. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe and come back for more.